Good morning, guys. What's going on? Bobby K coming to you live from South Central. Hey, guys, this is the US30 trade from yesterday. Okay, I already closed the second entry full. And I'm still holding this. I could have got out in the middle. This was, I don't know what time this was at. Let's see. 2 in the morning. So I was asleep. I got my TP set up here. But I'll close this now. If it goes back up to here anyway, I'll close it. Because I'm already up a bunch on this trade. This is why I just hold, guys. All right, I'm up 88 pips, something like that. Call it 80 pips. Probably more because I closed above. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's it, man. If it comes back down here, I'll probably buy it again. We'll see what it does. But yeah, I'm still holding this one. This one's closed at full. And yesterday I put in the Facebook that I closed the NAS trade. We kicked butt on the NAS trade. Let's see what we got here now. NAS is coming down. Let me just mark out US30. We got big news at 10, guys. We had news at 8:30. But it didn't really do anything. I don't know. 10 o'clock is the next one. 9 o'clock candle just opened. All right. Check gold real quick. US30 looks like a buy to me. It's up at the all-time high, man. It's really up. I'm not comfortable buying up here, but I would take a sell. You know, it's got to retrace at some point, but I'm probably not going to do anything with this. I'm going to leave that one for today. All right, let's go to US30. Okay, you see it swept the low. Could be coming down more. Yeah, that's the hourly low. Let's see what this looks like. How you guys doing, man? Ready for the weekend or what? I had a great week, man. I had like a big week trading. One of my best weeks in a while. I mean, I always have a good week, but I just made a little extra money this week. Man, I think it's gonna go up. Thinking about buying it right now. To tell you the truth. The only reason I didn't is because it came up here. It didn't take. If it would have came above here, then came back down to this fair value gap, man, that's a perfect setup. But it hasn't done that. It didn't go up high enough to convince me it wants to go up, you know. Didn't break structure or just continue the trend. Okay, it's coming down. Coming down hard, man. NAS, let's see what NAS is doing. Okay, NAS just took that low. Let me see. Right to our trend line. Looks like it wants to come down, huh? It's a strong candle, man. Let's see what it does. I almost feel like buying it, but I feel like it's bullish overall, you know? I guess it's coming down. Dream Weaver. H bars is 17. H bars been bouncing back a little bit. Here's the daily, I believe. Yeah, that's it. Now, what we could do, I might buy if it sweeps this, I might buy it real quick, and just like on a pullback, a 30 pip pullback or something, put stops to break even and take a little profit and see what it does. This is Friday, guys. You know how I feel about trading on Fridays. I'm not crazy about it, man. But it's Fridays, you can get stuck in trades. I don't mind being stuck in trades, but I don't do it on purpose. Friday's just low volume. Not in the morning so much, but if you're in a trade past 11, 12, 1 o'clock, forget it, man. The market just dies out on Friday. Those Wall Street guys, they go to lunch and that's it. They don't come back after lunch, man. They're having their martinis over there. Let's see what gold is doing. Ten minutes to New York Open, guys. Hmm. Hmm. Feel like buying it, man, but I don't have any reason to. It doesn't give me a reason to. You see how it just came above here? If this will pull back now to here, I will buy it. This will pull back now. Let's see what NAS is doing. Same thing. Maybe I'll buy NAS instead. Hey guys, I'm gonna buy NAS. Let me see. Let me find it. Let me get my finger on the trigger here. Okay. I'm gonna buy it. I'm in. To there. Let's see what happens. I'm still right at break even, like 1 pip in profit. Move it up a little. I'm in profit. We'll put it right there. A little higher. I got in. Got in a little higher. Right there. All right, let's see what happens, guys. New York is opening in 1 minute, too. That's a little crazy time. I could have waited a minute, but I'm using a small lot size as always. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let me find 30, 40 pips, something like that. That's 100 pips. That's great. Right here. What's this? That's 70 pips right there. Yeah, I'm up 30 pips already. 125. 25 is 30, is 40. I'm going to take half soon, guys. I think right at the top of this red box. That should be around 60 pips. Yeah, that's 50. I'll let you know when I take half. I'm going to take it. So get ready, guys, if you're going to do it, unless you just want to hold the whole thing. Come on, push up one more time, buddy. Didn't do it. Didn't do it. I'm break even again. Just holding now. Get rid of this confusion here. This now. went the other way. Come on, New York. What are you doing to me? I'm from New York. These guys are screwing me over there. Gold. Let's see what happened with gold. Just set off the alarm. Gold just broke through the high. Crazy, man. Crazy. That's the all-time high? Let me go to the month. This, man. Look at that. That's the month candle. That's the all-time high on gold, my friends. You've seen it here live. I'm just going to hold for a bit, guys. See what it does. We got big news at 10. 2 red folders. Let me see what those are. Quick. Very quick. Prelim, UOM, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations. I don't know. But they're 2 red folders. We did just take that low, which is good, I guess. As long as it doesn't come below it now. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. All right, guys. Let's see. I'm shooting for right here on this red box. Okay, I'm up 20 pips. Now I'm down again. All right, let's see. We're going to win, man. It might not be today. It may not be tomorrow, but we're going to win, man. All right, I'm up 10 pips again. Let's see what. Right there to the top of that red box. It should be 60 pips about. It's showing 64 on mine. So that's where I'm going to take profit, guys. Let me put a line there. Once I take profit, guys, this blue line is going to be my stop loss. Okay? It's not there yet. I only do that after I take profit. I'll put my stop loss to that line. That's also in profit. That's like an extra 10 pips or 8 pips, whatever it is. Now listen, you guys can get out whenever you want, you know. If you're happy with 20 pips, take 20 pips full. 30 pips, 30 pips full. 10 pips, 10 pips full. You know, we're all adults here. I'm just explaining what I'm gonna do. You know, we all have to manage our own money, you know. You gotta protect your capital the way you see fit. Okay, back to break even. I like that big wick on the bottom. Good sign. As long as it stays there. Back to break even. I'm gonna get ready. If it hits that blue line, guys, I might take like 80%. Okay, guys, I'm taking it. I'm out. My stop loss is now being moved to 18301. 18301.4 or 18301 is fine. Okay, guys, that's a W, man. Beautiful trade. Nice. Look at that push, guys. Big news at 10, guys. After that, it'll probably go wild for 15 minutes. There'll be a lot of volume. Then it's going to start dying down for the afternoon. It just dies out. My point is get your business done and get out for the afternoon. Come on, go up, baby. Go up. Don't stop us out. We got a nice fair value gap here now. No, no, no. There you go. Get out of there, man. Get back. Get back up there, man. Ah, got me, man. Damn it. All right, guys. Anyway, I'm not going to take any more trades. It's Friday. We got a nice win. I had a great week, man. You know, I had a great week. I mean, I have, even when I was wrong, and let's face it, man, this is just flipping a coin. Anybody that tells you any different, nobody really knows which way these things going, man. You know, when I put these entries, they're just points of reference just to pick an entry and to pick an exit. You know, if anybody knew what this market was doing, man, they wouldn't be telling you. That's for sure. They wouldn't be on YouTube sharing it. They'd be riding around with a bunch of supermodels. on their yacht. Like Kim.com. You ever see that dude? You ever see that documentary about that dude? That boat he had? My God, man. He was crazy. Anyway, man, we do the best we can, man. We hold. We haven't lost a trade in months. I mean, I can't remember losing. I'm still in that NAS trade from like 2 weeks ago, but other than that, I'm just holding it, man. It's going to come back up there. Probably this week. The way it's moving, you see it's gradually going back up and up and up. But yeah, man, I had a great week, man. Thank you guys, man, whoever was here with me, man. I hope you guys made some money. This was a good week. And if you like the stream, give it a like, man, and subscribe. I surely appreciate it. And we're gonna build a nice community here, man. I want to show people that you don't need a stop loss, man. Just use a small lot size. And you take little wins every day, man. Just keep taking little wins. As your account gets bigger, the wins get bigger. I recommend putting a 0.01 for like every $2,000 in the account. The smallest lot size for every 2,000. So if you got 10,000 in the account, you shouldn't be trading more than 0.05. And 0.05 on NAS and US30, man. You make a few $100 a day. There's nothing wrong with that. You just keep compounding your account, man. We don't lose here, man. We just wait. But anyway, guys, God bless you guys, man. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great weekend on purpose, guys. And I will see you Monday morning, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, as they used to say. All right, guys, give me a like on the way out. Thank you, guys. I'll see you next week. Cheers, guys.